And it's another lovely night in the countryside. I've escaped from the hustle and bustle of everyday life out into the countryside on my boat for the night, which I'm thoroughly going to enjoy as usual. I have got a few jobs to do though. Right, first job. That's what powers that's the pump for the shower in the bathroom here. And this is what's not working. It just keeps blowing a fuse every time you switch it on. So the other day I've took it to bits, WD-40'd it, made sure the impeller weren't really stuck and nothing's blocked. There's nothing else I can do really with my small technical brain. So I put another fuse in it, and if it doesn't work, then it's a new pump. They're not really expensive. I think you can probably get one for like 50, 60 quid. So it's no major drama. I'll test that pump in a bit, see if it works, and run the boat engine. I've got to go on my friend's boat next door because his boiler's still leaking water and he's not here to be able to deal with it. So I said I'll take a look. He might need a new boiler, so I've got to have a look and send some pictures to somebody who can fit and mend boilers, etc. So that's my next job for the night. Okay, there's a guy who needs some pictures behind this boiler cover, so he's messaged me, take both those knobs off, and then there's a screw, undo the screw, and then the boiler casing comes off, and then I've got to take a few pictures to send him. That's my job done. Now you would think even an idiot like me could manage this job, but yeah, anyway. Oh, there's one knob. Make sure they go back in the same position. Two knobs, and there's the screw. Pull the two knobs off, undo the screw, and then take the cover off. Boom. It should be straightforward enough. Well, I can't see any more fixings or anything, so I don't like doing stuff like this when it's not, especially when it's not my own, because I don't know how this comes on. I want to pull and break something, but it's broke anyway. Cover should lift off. I bet you I can't get it back on. Let's move the sieve. Oh, hello, we're nearly there. Oops. Stuck on the side somewhere. Oh, I think I've done it without breaking anything. The trouble when you're doing stuff with one hand, it's yeah. I'm more liable to break something. Anyway, mission complete. That's all I can do. That's my bit done. I've just got to send pictures of that. So normally I hit that switch and it just blows that fuse straight away. Yeah, you shouldn't run them empty, obviously, but I've got to run it to test. I've got to run it to test that it's working. When I press that button, just listen for a ping and then the fuse is gone, or otherwise the pump's working. Wow, I am amazed at my DIY skills. The pump's working. Fabulous. I can have a shower when it's red hot now on the boat. Brilliant stuff. I just, yeah, sprayed it with took it to bits, sprayed it with loads of WD-40 and prayed to the pump gods, and boom, my prayer's been answered. I've done a couple of the jobs I need to do, so now it's time to chill. It's not raining, it's forecast raining a bit, so I'm going to go for a walk for an hour.
When I miss you, one time when I made you smile. I stayed there for a while. When I miss you, I go outside and I just breathe. Sometimes I even
Well, just as I start to come out for a walk for an hour, it starts to rain. Hope it's not going to be much. The smells in there are incredible. It's not got smell-o-vision, has it, this phone? You won't be able to smell them. But if you live in a city and a big town or whatever and don't get out in the countryside much, then you don't get the smells that you do in the countryside. The smells from the trees and the plants and everything. It's just amazing. Everything smells so fresh. No, I'm not going mad. Honestly, it just smells. The air smells beautiful.
When I miss you, I take a drive by the water, roll the windows down, turn on Ed Sheeran and take the long way around. I'll take the long way around. When I miss you, I lay my hand on the middle console by that empty seat.
There's a little bunny rabbit in the distance.
I feel right there next to me. When I miss you, when I miss you, when I miss you.
I can hear something splashing in the river down here. I can't see it's too overgrown though. But there are otters been spotted. Not by himself on camera though. I'd love to get one on camera. Definitely something down there splashing about.
When I miss you, I put our song on repeat, holding memories close to me, remind myself to breathe. When I miss you,
Love following little streams and rivers. Oh, you're nosy. Go on then. Cheese! Say cheese. At the moment I'm trying to walk along and follow the river scents, but everywhere's overgrown with stingers, and trying to wade through those don't make a lot of sense, does it? I've got to get myself like a DJI camera or something, because I need something with the image stabilization, because I'm just using my phone for these videos and I do tend to shake about a bit. Wonder who lives in that hole. Look at that, mini rapids. I think the river carries on going that way and I'm not going that way. I'm quite lucky that the rain's held off. But I've been out a while now, so I'm going to get back to base camp for tea and 5 chocolate biscuits. You heard me correct, 5 chocolate biscuits. As if by magic, I've just beat the rain. I did say 5, but you know, it don't matter if it's 6, does it? Dinner tonight is about as basic as it gets. I still need to eat all these tins I've got, so I've got plenty of tins. Vegetable soup with a few rounds of bread. Something's had a crayfish. Could be a mink or an otter. More carnage. Bits of crayfish. And part of a bird. That's feathers, that is. I wonder if it's a baby chick or something. What monster is lurking in the canal? More crayfish carnage. Well, it stopped raining, so I went another bit of a walk. Tin off, cooling down now, so might even have to put the diesel heating on in a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna stick that saucepan full of soup on now. Not exactly fine dining tonight, but who cares? That'll do me. It's nice and hot and filling, and I'm in stunning surroundings. So what more could I want? It's about 9:30, getting dark. It's not that dark actually for 9:30. I've had my dinner, run the boat engine for half an hour, and I've got the diesel heating on, and the radiators are roasting. They are toasty. Late night gooses. Listen to those owls. A few bats about tonight as well. Owls and bats. Here comes the rain again. Right, it's about 11:30. I'm tucked up in bed now. It's still quite warm. And yeah, I'm listening to owls outside. Lovely and relaxing. See you in the morning. Morning, sheep. I can hear all them. I can hear all them tapping on the side of my boat. Looking for food and insects in all the algae on the boat. When you fix one thing, you end up with another drama. My tunnel light's not working. I tested this tunnel light last week and I tapped it and it came on, and now it won't come on at all. And I need this because I need to go up to Snest in the next couple of weeks through that tunnel to fill up the water at the end of the canal. So I need my tunnel light working. So here's another job that's got to be sorted out, and I can't unscrew the front of it here to see if the bulb's gone now, but it's not working at all now. It was working last week.